So today we've got some of our favorite tools, and the first up is the pry driver, um, developed early in human history for prying open clams and things, but it works great for opening paint cans. Um, it also works great as a paint stirrer or, uh, at the end of the day, a swizzle stick. And if you don't know what a swizzle stick is, just look up Dean Martin. And here we have the screw chisel. Uh, when you get those pesky screws that have the funny slotted tops that you can't get out. This works great. Yep. Screw chisel. And these aren't actually made for grabbing things. They are something called a hammer pliers. Uh, they work great for pounding in those tacks and nails and putting two boards together. And it's closely related to its cousin, the crescent mallet, for putting in things bigger than nails. And this is called the aggravation wrench, because after you've used this to put in 30-40 of the Allen head screws, you're going to find the person this was named after, which is called Allen, and you're going to want to beat the motherfucker. Lastly, we've got this, which is a it's a it's a I'll get back to you on this one. So I hope this has been informative and in some way makes it easier for you to get through the day. And we'll see you next time. Oil base. Ah, geez. I know it was here somewhere.